I've identified 15 of the most straightforward ways to earn daily income online, and many of these platforms offer the possibility of making money with minimal effort. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's begin by discussing an application and website known as HoneyGain, which allows you to potentially earn up to $184 per month in passive income without engaging in any work. Essentially, this platform compensates you for sharing your internet connection. While this may sound unconventional, let me clarify. To start, you install the app on your phone, tablet, laptop, or all of your devices for increased earnings. The app operates in the background, utilizing your internet to gather small bits of information from the web. I understand that some may find this concept suspicious, but HoneyGain solely utilizes your internet connection, ensuring that your personal data remains untouched. The collected information serves credible businesses worldwide for activities such as web statistics and price comparison. You can earn up to $184 per month without actively working just by installing the app on your preferred devices. Additionally, signing up through the provided link in the description offers a $5 bonus. On the money scale, I rate this a 2 out of 10. Swagbucks. While it's true that online surveys won't make you wealthy, platforms like Swagbucks provide an opportunity to earn money through various tasks. Swagbucks is a survey website that compensates users for activities such as browsing the internet, taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and submitting grocery receipts. It's an ideal platform for earning extra cash during free time, whether it's during lunch, commutes, or while winding down at night. Swagbucks is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up through the website to receive a $10 welcome bonus. Users commonly report earnings ranging from $50 to $100 per month, with top earners reaching up to $2,000 per year for tasks like playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. While it's a decent opportunity, it ranks 2 out of 10 on the money scale when compared to other options later on the list. Market research. Another effortless way to make money is by engaging in market research. Essentially, you can get paid to participate in studies, most of which are conducted online and typically take between 15 minutes to an hour to complete. Platforms like User Interviews, Responded, Survey Junkie, Focus Group, and Apex Focus Groups are examples of sites that compensate you for participating in market research. To be part of these studies, you generally need to answer questions about your demographics, past purchases, buying habits, and products or services you would recommend. I personally tested Survey Junkie a couple of years ago for a blog post on my website, The Investor Post. After taking a survey, I was invited to participate in market research about fast food. I agreed, and I received a call from a major marketing firm in New York asking me to go to Arby's, try their new chicken strips, and provide honest feedback. In return, they paid me $100. On average, individuals can make around $100 per month through market research, and depending on your level of participation, you can easily earn more. It's an extremely easy and minimal effort way to make money from the comfort of your home. I would rate it a 2 out of 10 on the money scale. Junk mail. If you're like most people, you probably receive a significant amount of junk mail and emails. What if you could turn that into cash? Well, the Small Business Knowledge Center is a website that pays you for your junk mail and emails, accepting virtually everything on their list of acceptable items. The process involves signing up, and if accepted, you start sending them your relevant junk mail and emails. They compensate you in the form of rewards that you can redeem for Visa gift cards, essentially equivalent to cash. Depending on your location and demographic, there may be a limited space, but a waitlist is available. On average, frequent participants earn about $20 every 6 to 10 weeks. While it may not be a substantial amount, you're essentially getting paid for sending junk mail that would otherwise end up in the trash. Combining this method with others on the list can lead to a significant income boost. I rate the process of turning junk mail into cash a 3 out of 10 on the money scale. Webull. On the money scale, another remarkably simple way to make money is through Webull. While Webull is technically an investing app, we don't necessarily have to invest to earn money. By using the link in the description, signing up with Webull, creating an account, and depositing just 1 penny, you'll receive 12 free stocks valued up to $36,000. This isn't a joke. If you're considering starting to invest, you might also explore dividend stocks or ETFs that pay you for owning the stock. I'd rate the opportunity to get free stocks valued up to $36,000 using the provided link a 3 out of 10 on the money scale. E-Juror. The next website, E-Juror, involves joining an online jury, which might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it does align with the criteria of making easy money online. Websites like E-Juror and OnlineVerdict.com allow you to participate as an online juror. As an E-Juror, you're summoned to make findings of facts and decide a verdict for a trial, all from the comfort of your home. While it won't make you rich, you can earn about $5 to $10 per case, with each case taking approximately 45 minutes on average. It's not the most lucrative option, but it's a decent way to earn. I'd give this one a 3 out of 10 on the money scale. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a crowdsourcing marketplace by Amazon that facilitates outsourcing processes and jobs to individuals who can perform them. This platform allows you to earn money in your spare time by completing various tasks, known as Human Intelligence Tasks or HITs. Tasks range from transcription services and providing feedback about websites or apps to surveys, machine learning tasks, audio editing, and more. Reviews on MTurks are mixed, with some claiming low earnings and others making a more substantial income. If you're willing to use your free time for simple tasks, MTurk can be worth it. I'd rate MTurk a 4 out of 10 on the money scale. Rakuten. Imagine making money online and getting cash back while you shop. Well, you don't have to imagine because there is a way. Rakuten. It's a cashback browser extension and app that allows you to earn money by getting cash back at thousands of stores. Personally using Rakuten for about 2 years, I've earned thousands of dollars in cash back that I wouldn't have earned otherwise. Using it is straightforward. With a browser extension on a laptop or desktop, it works in the background to find cashback deals. When it finds a deal, it pops up, prompting you to activate the cashback offer. It's as simple as 1 click, and you're earning cashback on your purchases. Rakuten also has an app for Apple and Android devices. Signing up is easy, and if you use the link in the description, you'll get a $10 welcome bonus after spending your first $25 using Rakuten. There's virtually no limit to how much you can earn, depending on your online shopping habits. Most users report earning anywhere from $100 to over $1,000 per year in cashback. Getting paid doing something you're already doing sounds pretty easy, earning it a 4 out of 10 on the money scale. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Search Engine Evaluator. It might be hard to believe, but major search engines like Google aren't fully automated by algorithms. People called search engine evaluators work behind the scenes to help organize search result pages. As a search engine evaluator, your job is to make informed decisions about various types of data and rate them for completeness, accuracy, and other factors. The job requires no experience, and to get started, you need a smartphone and a personal computer. You can set your own schedule, committing at least 10 hours per week. On average, search engine evaluators can make $17 per hour. Considering the flexibility and the ease of working from wherever you want, this is a pretty straightforward way to make good money online. I'd rate this a 5 out of 10 on the money scale. Printables. An underrated method of making money online involves creating and selling printables. Websites like Etsy feature printables as one of the most profitable categories, including wall art, calendars, planners, birthday cards, and more. What makes printables powerful is their simplicity to create. Even without artistic skills, you can use free resources and tools to find illustrations and web designs. Printables are digital products offering a great source of passive income. When somebody buys a printable, you're essentially selling a file, requiring no additional effort on your part. Earnings vary based on factors like the popularity of your printables, with some making a few $1,000s per year and others exceeding $1 million annually. Success depends on finding sought-after printables and creating a substantial collection. This method deserves a 6 out of 10 on the money scale. Teaching English online with QKids. Even without a teaching background, you can teach English online to kids worldwide through platforms like QKids. Connecting over 1 million international students ages 6 to 12 with online teachers, QKids require teachers to be native English speakers in the US or Canada. Having a bachelor's degree or being enrolled in college is beneficial. Committing at least 6 hours per week, you can earn $18 to $20 per hour. This flexible opportunity allows you to work part-time alongside another job or transition to full-time. It's an easy way to make good money online, earning a 6 out of 10 on the money scale. Usability tests. Several websites such as usertesting.com, betatesting.com, userzoom.com, and userlytics.com offer opportunities to make money by participating in usability tests. These tests involve trying out new apps, websites, and sometimes physical hardware. Most only require a computer and an internet connection, while some may need a webcam and microphone. Payouts range from $10 to $100 per test, taking 15 to 60 minutes. Given the ease of the work, the compensation is surprisingly good, earning it a 7 out of 10 on the money scale. Pinterest. Making money by creating eye-catching pins on Pinterest for businesses is a niche but in-demand service. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer, as platforms like Creative Market, Envato Elements, and Canva provide templates. You can then offer your services on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. While you might start making between $500 and $1,000 per month, building a clientele can lead to a substantial income. This creative venture deserves an 8 out of 10 on the money scale. Blogging. Contrary to the belief that blogs are outdated, they are currently more popular than ever. Many individuals are making substantial incomes ranging from 5 to 7 figures annually by running blogs. Blogs serve as valuable resources for information and product recommendations. By choosing a topic you're passionate about, writing becomes enjoyable. Success hinges on taking blogging seriously, incorporating SEO strategies to rank on Google, and leveraging affiliate marketing. While income varies, those committed to the process can achieve significant financial success. Blogging earns a 9 out of 10 on the money scale. Ambient videos. Creating ambient videos on platforms like YouTube, featuring sounds from real-world environments, offers a surprisingly money-making opportunity. Challenge dedicated to ambient videos, devoid of faces and narration, can attract millions of views. Despite Social Blade estimates potentially being conservative, these channels have significant earning potential. If you're interested in learning how to create ambient videos, a step-by-step guide is on the horizon. This unconventional method scores a perfect 10 out of 10 on the money scale, showcasing its remarkable income potential. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.